Hello, this video is about atomic number, mass number, and working out the number of protons and neutrons in an isotope. The questions that follow this are likely to be ones that are quite trickily written. You need to really make sure you're reading the options carefully. So a couple of points. First of all, the atomic number, which is the bottom number, the 6 in each of these cases, that tells you the number of protons in that isotope or that element, but it also tells you literally what the element is. 6 protons means carbon. It's the identity of the element essentially, and it will also correspond to the number of electrons in an atom. That number doesn't change, but in different isotopes there can be different number of neutrons, which mean a different mass, and that's the bigger number, the mass number 14 or 12 or 11 in these isotopes. Now, to work out the number of protons, you literally read the bottom number, nice and simple, and that's true for anything. And to work out the number of neutrons in an isotope or an atom, you need to work out the difference between the big number and the small number. So in the case of these isotopes of carbon, if you're asked how many neutrons there are, well, the number of neutrons is the difference between the bigger number and the smaller number. So in this case, 14 minus 6 would be 8. 12 minus 6, 6, 11 minus 6, 5. They're all still carbon because they've all got an atom number of 6, but different number of neutrons means different masses. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.